Okay, what I have here is a Ryobi half-inch drive impact wrench. I just picked this up today at Home Depot. It's got 3 speeds, and I believe it's got a variable speed trigger. I'm gonna put a lithium battery in it. This is a knockoff from eBay, but they're still good batteries. Like it's a 6 amp hour one. It's fully charged. And let's go through the speeds. This is speed 1. And that goes from 0, let's see, make sure it's variable. Yeah, you got a variable trigger. And it goes from 0 to 2000. The second speed goes from 0 to 2400. And third speed goes from 0 to 2900. It also has 3,300 impacts per minute. And I don't know if I mentioned it's rated for 300 pounds, 300 foot-pounds. And I got its little brother, the 3/8 drive, which is rated at 150. So this one will be for when I get some big rusted bolts or nuts for bigger jobs. I mean, actually, it'd be good for the lug nuts too, because it won't struggle. Like the 3/8 kind of struggles on the lug nuts. It takes them off, but it struggles a little bit. This one should whip right through them. And you got your LED lights, which is nice. It feels nice in the hand. I mean, it's got some weight to it, Obviously, the battery weighs a lot too. This is a 6 amp hour battery, so. But the tool alone don't feel bad. Feels pretty good. I say we take this out in the garage and see what you can do. Okay, let's first do a lug nut test. These are torqued at 100 pounds. And I'm going to put this on 3. This should take them off no problem, I think. Yeah. Alright, that's not really even a test. No problem. I'll put this on 2. I'll torque on the spec later. Okay, let's give it another test. Okay, for the second test, I'm going to tighten down this old camber bolt I got. I'm going to try to get tighten it down to 150 foot-pounds. I got this torque wrench maxed out at 150. Okay. That's as high as I got. My torque wrench don't go any higher, so that's all I can do to test, but see if it takes that off. Alright, took it off. Not too bad. I kind of had to help it. I turned it a little bit and helped it. Check this out, see if it's still maxed. Actually, yeah, pretty maxed. Try it again. I don't know, judging by the way it feels, I don't think it's got much more power than 150. I mean,
I would say it's probably, I know it's just my opinion, and I'm kind of speculating, but you know, just first time using this tool, I don't think it goes up to 300 foot-pounds. Probably more like in the 200 range. But hey, for what I'm going to use it for, my automobile, you know, it'll definitely do the job. And that's about all I got for testing today. You know, it's a short little video. I like the tool. I don't go by the 300 pounds. I had a feeling it wasn't gonna do that much anyways, because even the 3/8 one I have. Actually, let me check this out. Got a 3/8 here. Let's see if this one will take it off. I mean, this one's rated for 150 pounds, so we'll see. Got it on 3. Yep. Oh, I didn't have that. Well, folks, I don't think I had that on all the way. Let me tighten that back down. Okay. Let's see if it takes that off. Now, see, this tool won't take it off. So let's see, take this one. Well, help with the battery. Let's check this battery. It should be still fully charged. Yeah. Yeah, this one's definitely stronger. Of course, it's meant to be stronger, but
I think a Ryobi lithium battery would probably do a lot better.
hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.